Hi there, welcome to BlocStart Selections, a video series dedicated to examining crypto projects in the ways that matter. As our first selection, today we'll be discussing the Lisk Project.
And therefore we decided to make sidechains instead of just blockchains for developers so that they are connected to our system, to Lisk. And out of this, like a big community can evolve.
Lisk is a cryptocurrency with the exchange ticker LSK. To send LSK from one account to another takes about 10 seconds. After about 1 to 2 minutes, the transaction can be deemed immutable. Lisk offers a next-generation platform that allows for the development and distribution of JavaScript-based blockchain applications. Lisk provides an easy-to-use interface and accessible full-featured ecosystem. Through Lisk, developers can build, publish, distribute, and monetize their applications within a cryptocurrency-powered system that allows for the use of customized blockchains, smart contracts, cloud storage, and computing nodes. Lisk as a software has three major components: the JavaScript code, Node.js as a computer engine, and PostgreSQL as a storage and database solution. This factor makes it easy for developers to get involved and keeps the platform malleable for improvement and progress. Where it really gets interesting is the Lisk protocol. The Lisk app SDK is a framework to deploy your own sidechains and develop blockchain applications on top of them. You can develop platform-independent social networks, messengers, games, financial applications, prediction markets, and much more on your own blockchain, fully decentralized, without the hassle of complicated consensus protocols or peer-to-peer networking algorithms. Beyond the tech side of things, Lisk is undergoing a rebrand process, updating the aesthetic and priorities of their product and making use of exterior consultants and in-house designers to reach an ideal brand image. Partnering with Kristen Vader of Relevance, a renowned brand strategy consulting firm whose impressive client roster includes Mercedes-Benz, Microsoft, and EasyJet, Lisk is set to present itself in a very new way. Rebrands have had varying results. DGBs did little to halt their fall, but the famous AirShares Neo rebrand had results that outperformed even the most optimistic assumptions. However, with a project like Lisk that ensures the fundamentals are present behind the branding, we're confident in the steps they're taking. What many don't realize is that the cryptocurrency market is not the last sector free from institutional participation. Venture capitalist groups, marketing firms, and banks have been quick to notice the stratospheric returns possible with blockchain implementation and investment, and have been sure to get in the field during its infancy. Lisk has partnered with Lightcurve, Tycho Naughton, Washburn PR, Bitcoin Suisse AG, and MME, all companies that one would be wise to look into to see the potential that Lisk holds. Specifically, let's look at Bitcoin Suisse AG. Bitcoin Suisse AG is a Swiss-based financial service provider specializing in crypto assets. These kinds of groups are responsible for the enormous gains seen in the ICO gold rush. For example, a website exploit allegedly revealed that majority of Chainlink tokens available for crowd sale were already sold to the prior contributors before the official crowd sale countdown had ended. Overall, we at BlocStart selected Lisk for its strong backing, demonstrable efforts to hit their roadmap targets, and their decision to do what many projects fail to do: ensure that people are seeing their project in an increasingly crowded market. If you have another project you'd like us to review, please leave a comment below and we'll be sure to incorporate it into our upcoming selection schedule.